Welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to enroll into Citi Online Banking. So to enroll in Citi Online Banking, you just need to visit citi.com/register. So open up any browser that you have and type in citi.com/register. When you click on the register button, you just want to click on register for online access at the bottom, and you could just follow the on-screen prompt. First thing first, you have to gather the information, that is, have your Citi credit card or debit card number or bank account number account provided during the account opening or mail ready, and you just need to go ahead and make sure to start by tapping on it. So as you could see, you have to enter in either your Citibank credit card number or bank account or paycheck, any of these, and click on the continue button. Once you've done this or entered the following information, you click on activate a card and enter the request account's card details. If you have a new card, you will need to activate it first, often by entering your card number and the ATM pin before proceeding, and follow the prompt to create a unique user ID and a password as well. Now then, what you need is you have to establish your security questions and confirm your details. You'll have to receive one-time password to your registered mobile or email to complete the verification. And that's how you should be able to enroll in Citi Online Banking. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.